Welcome to How to Play Dodgeball Tag, a fun tag game for ages 5 to 11. We hope you enjoy. In this game, you will need enough different colour bibs for the teams and a dodgeball for each team, ideally a different colour. Start by splitting your players into 2 or more teams. In each team you should have 4 or 5 players, and then give each team a different coloured dodgeball. Players must pass and move their team's dodgeball up the court. They're not allowed to run with the ball, but you can allow a couple of steps depending on the age group. And the aim of the game is for each team to throw their dodgeball to try and hit someone from the other team. If hit, that player must then balance on one foot, or they can sit down. And to be rescued by a teammate, players must then use their team's dodgeball to throw to that player that's been out, that's balancing, and if they catch it on the fall, they're then back in the game. If they drop it, then the team would need to try again. If at any point a player touches a ball from another team, even if it's accidental, so the ball's just in the middle of the court and someone accidentally runs into it, that does still count as being hit. They would then need to balance or crouch down and be rescued. When a whole team is on one foot or sat down, that means their team is out of the game. The team with the most players at the end of the time limit, or the last team standing, are the winners. Okay, here are some adaptations for you to consider. We hope you had fun in today's game, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.